And that's the reason why I said, why don't we make a really nice Calcutta egg roll for you, okay? Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for all the love, blessings, and your following. It's been amazing. That positive growth of this channel is making me feel so happy that I can't believe it. Anyway, now as you can see, I'm a world traveler. I travel around the world. I circumnavigated the world 7 times almost. Okay, and now being back in India, it's almost like 10 or 12 years, and now I'm traveling through India, eating some amazing food. Thank God, God has been kind. Work is everywhere. Now certain work trips have completely blown my mind with different cities, with their food, with this whole legacy. And I love the whole bohemian, the intellectual, and the whole grungy feel of Calcutta, Kolkata. I mean, Kolkata reminds me of a lot of things now. Cool people, great cafes, art, and you know what? The street food. And that's the reason why I said, why don't we make a really nice Calcutta egg roll for you, okay? Most of the time, whenever I go to Calcutta, I always eat the mutton kathi roll. You know why it's called kathi? Kathi means a stick. So literally meat skewers on a stick, and then it was grilled, and then it was sliced, and then it was filled in the paratha. Now, I'm going to be making a fantastic Kolkata egg roll today, okay? Because I have a plan to do many other rolls for you. I said, let me start, and you know what? Eggs everybody has at home, okay? So let's start with the filling. So I've got some cabbage, I've got some carrots, I've got some onions. Now if you go to see, you must be asking me, क्या तू Chinese खाना बना रहा है या तू ये बना रहा है? I said, but you know, Chinatown and the whole Tangra and the Chinese food, Indian Chinese food have a big story coming from Calcutta. So maybe because the similar vegetables were used by the Chinese to make their Chindian food, probably the same veggies were used for making the rolls, I guess. Okay, so we've got some cabbage which we will finally shred. So basically ये components हैं इसके. एक तो हमारा crispy salad, चटपटा salad अंदर रहेगा, and then we have a paratha or a roti, and then उसके बाद we have the egg which is going to go. Okay, so the egg and the paratha actually देखते जाओ आप. Beautiful. So we've got this lovely cabbage here. Along with that, I'm going to be using just a little bit of this capsicum. Okay, so we finally slice these. And remember, ये जो है, it's going to be a raw filling, okay? Like a salad, like a lovely crunchy salad, which makes it even more delicious. So I think if I had to rustle up a roll quickly, I would definitely do this one, yeah? Now, what is the whole thing about a roll? A roll can be made with anything. It can be quickly rolled up. It's not messy. It's the best food on the go. Tiffins, office lunches, traveling boxes. Rolls last the best, okay? So we're going to be doing very thinly sliced onions here as well, okay? Beautiful. So हमने प्याज काट लिया है यहाँ पे. Lovely. So we have capsicum, you have pyaz, you have cabbage, and then now we have to put this carrot. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of carrot. Now these are my choice of vegetables which I like to put in here, and I think these go pretty well as well. I mean, they are very easily available. You have them all the year around, so no sweat with that one. Okay. Now, as you know, you can go into Calcutta on Park Street. They've got some amazing spots where you can get a really nice kathi roll or an egg roll in this case. So do enjoy this recipe, do cook it. It makes a great travel companion as well, as I mentioned to you. Yeah, so we're going to be cutting these into fine shreds, little matchsticks, however you like it, okay? You want to use a food processor, you want to shred all the vegetables, the choice is yours, guys, okay? Now, I'm going to be making this vegetable mix, but at the same time, I'm not going to be actually seasoning them as yet, क्योंकि मुझे एक crunchy, wunchy filling चाहिए, बिल्कुल चटपटा. I've got all these lovely sauces. It'll come to you in the right time. Lovely. So अभी nice. इसको हम अभी स्टैंड बाय के लिए रख रहे थे. स्टैंड बाय. अंडे का फंडा करते हैं. So I would say, literally, I would say about, I would try with 3 eggs and देखते हैं. 2 should be also good, but crew बहुत है यहाँ पे, खा लेगी ये. So we're gonna beat this a little bit. Now, seasoning the egg, okay? I like to season the egg, okay? So literally like salt to taste थोड़ा सा. And then what I like to do is also I like to add a little bit of chaat masala in the egg as well, okay? You can also add dhania. You want to make like a Indian style lamlet, यानी कि आमलेट, वो भी कर सकते हो, but you don't need to, buddy. You don't really need to. Great. So we've got our eggs beaten. So we have our eggs beaten here. Let's add a little bit of oil, okay, in here. Beautiful. So we start with our paratha. तो अभी हम डालते हैं beautiful. वाह, मजा आ गया. So we are going to literally start cooking this on both sides, okay? Nice. So what I'm doing now here, I'm actually literally cooking this almost on one side, okay? और अभी उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसको हल्का सा फ्लिप कर देते हैं, ओके? परफेक्ट. अभी हम डालेंगे हमारा बीटन एग इसके ऊपर. नाइस. And yo, nice, beautiful. So we do beautiful. So we cook the egg now again. Yeah, the egg is beautifully cooked. Nice, lovely, lovely. अभी इसको आखिरी बार एक flip कर देते हैं. Beautiful. So we have our lovely kachumbar here, okay? Now it's time to season it. So we're going to be adding a little bit of salt. We're going to be adding chaat masala. Lovely. Or abhi is the game changer, boss. This amazing immaculate sauces. So we have tomato ketchup. We have the green chili sauce. And then we have the red chili sauce. Typical, the 3 iconic sauces from Kolkata. Abhi, a little bit of the sirka, okay? This lovely cocktail onion ka mixture, okay? Beautiful. And then we're going to give this a lovely mix, okay? Lovely. Then we have some of these little Sirka onions, why not? Why can't I use these? Sure, I can use these if I want. So we have these lovely pickled onions here. Lovely. And dhania, I'll be back. Some fresh coriander. Lovely. और फिर हमारा कलकत्ता वाला रोल तैयार. Kolkata Egg Roll ready.